Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves. We begin the month on this Thursday, the 1st of July. Very exciting quarter ahead of us in terms of where the next technology stocks are going to be hitting. They've been very buoyant in the last few trading sessions. We've had Facebook who have reached the $1 trillion club, and we've had other tech stocks such as Amazon, Google, etc. that are already in the $1 trillion club and they're closing in. We've got Nvidia as well that's got their valuation almost close to half a trillion dollars there. So we're just waiting to see how many more tech stocks and other potential stocks can really start flying. The NASDAQ 100 has been very buoyant, so has the S&P and the Dow. So it's got to take a look at the NASDAQ and S&P mainly today, just to see what continued growth we're seeing at the moment. So, the last time we looked at the NASDAQ, we were looking at if we were going to exceed this particular trend line or get a resistance and move further lower. So we've gone to the alternative version now, and we're going to be moving higher, and it doesn't really seem like it's going to stop anytime soon for the growth stocks, especially as we enter Q3 as well. So I just want to bring it back on the 4-hour chart to give you a better indication of what we were looking at here. And so yeah, we didn't manage to finish this intermediate wave 5 as of yet. So we could go to the alternative scenario where this was 1 and 2 like it is now. Hold on, let me just go back a bit. 1 and 2, and then 3 hasn't completed yet, but the internal structure here could be a kind of leading diagonal in the minor wave 1, and then we can come down for 2 and then up for 3 as well, up probably to the 1496 area there at least. So this is quite significant in that respect. As I said, we've had a large overthrow here, so it doesn't look like we're going to go to the original scenario where we come down for a correction afterwards, after this pattern here. So we're just looking at the next break of what's going to happen. Just looking on the signals as well, we did have a slight bearish divergence before. That's quite clear on the MACD. On the RSI, it's not as clear. It's pretty much level there. So we're just going to wait and see what's going to happen for this intermediate wave 3, where it's going to end. It could be a case that it's going to shift and probably finish here. We're looking for a small correction and then another move to the upside. So we'll just wait and see what the potentials are for that scenario as well. And just looking on the S&P as well, like I said, these indices have done so well in the last few trading sessions. At the moment, again, we are just looking to see what the potentials are. Bring it back down on 1-hour chart. So we completed intermediate waves 1 and 2. We're waiting for 3 in cycle wave 3 to end cycle wave 4 to end super cycle wave 5 to the upside. So now we're just waiting for 3 to complete, and where it will complete, we'll wait and see. There's a good Fibonacci extension, 100% extension there that we could be going around the 4,317 area to complete this intermediate wave 3. Short down dip and then to the upside to finish this primary wave 3 structure at least. Again, excuse me. Let's take a quick look at the signals as well. Well, we haven't really got too much in the way. It, as you can see, it's very buoyant on the RSI, the MACD as well. Not too much in the way of signals. So we're just waiting to see what the next potentials are. You could say there's a slight bearish one there, but as you can see here where I've placed it, it's only gone up slightly, so not really too much in the way of a divergence there, but something to keep an eye on. Same with the RSI as well. So we'll just wait and see what the potentials are for the next few trading days. But yeah, keep an eye on these stocks and the indices as well. Very, very buoyant in the last few trading sessions as we go into Q3 and end the trading week as well tomorrow. So and plus we've got the NFP figures tomorrow as well. Something to keep an eye out for when the market starts shifting. Will we see a third monthly contraction in expectations in the job number? Well, we'll have to wait and see, but chances are there's going to be a very, very close number to the expectations. So this might not shift American markets too much, as the expectations will probably meet what the figures are. So just something to look out for in the next trading session at least. So that's all from Marketing Waves today. Thank you very much. As usual, any comments or queries, suggestions, any alternatives that you'd like to share, please add them to the post and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we'll speak again tomorrow. Bye for now.